It's Hendrik here, and today I visit the Jet Propulsion Laboratory, or JPL, which is a federal-funded research and development center in Pasadena, California, owned by NASA and managed by the California Institution of Technology, or Caltech. JPL's primary function is the construction and operation of planetary robotic spacecrafts, while it also conducts Earth orbit and astronomy missions across the solar system and beyond.
Welcome to JPL. Did you know that JPL has been at the forefront of space exploration since 1958, when we built and launched America's very first satellite?
Europa Clipper, NASA's first mission dedicated to study Jupiter's moon Europa, launched October 14, 2024 aboard a SpaceX Falcon Heavy rocket, is set to arrive in Jupiter in 2030. Voyager 1 and 2 launched in 1977 to take advantage of a rare planetary alignment that occurs every 175 years. Cassini launched on October 15, 1997 and spent nearly 20 years in space, including 13 years orbiting Saturn from 2004 to 2017. The mission was a joint effort by NASA, the European Space Agency, and the Italian Space Agency, including contributions from 17 nations. Explorer 1 launched January 31st, 1958 from Cape Canaveral, Florida using a Juno 1 rocket. Explorer 1 was the first satellite to carry scientific instruments into space. The Perseverance rover, nicknamed Percy, is NASA's most advanced Mars rover, launched as part of the $2.7 billion Mars 2020 mission. Perseverance, along with its helicopter, Ingenuity, searched for past life on Mars by analyzing rocks and soil for biosignatures. These soil samples are collected into sealed tubes for future return to Earth. The mission is also to study Mars volcanic history, climate evolution, and the role of water in shaping Jezero crater. Next, I head to the Space Flight Operation Facility, or known as the Center of the Universe at JPL, because it serves as a nerve center for NASA Deep Space Network, managing communication with spacecraft exploring the solar system and beyond. One of the earliest missions here was Ranger 7, which sent back the first close-up images of the moon in 1964. It has since supported legendary missions including Voyager, Mariner, Viking, and Mars rovers. The facility processes data from NASA's Deep Space Network, a global system of antennas that track and communicate with the spacecraft from millions of miles away. The facility also contains control consoles, video displays, and data processing systems that allow engineers to monitor and command spacecraft in real time. The clean rooms at the NASA Jet Propulsion Laboratories are state-of-the-art facilities designed for assembly, testing, and preparing spacecrafts for mission to space.
Hey, it's me. Peace. Oh, why is my face red? Oh my god. Why is it red?
This is Galileo, launched on October 18, 1989 aboard Space Shuttle Atlantis. It orbited Jupiter for nearly 8 years, from 1995 to 2003, completing 34 orbits before being intentionally destroyed in Jupiter's atmosphere on September 21, 2003. there you go. That's JPL for you. Lots of cool inventions and discoveries made here at this great facility. And I'm sure lots of more things to come in the name of science. So, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Peace out.